Welcome to today's video technical update presented by CMS Forex. It is Tuesday, January 12th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. Today we'll take a look at the Euro dollar, Pound dollar, and the Pound Yen pairs. This video is being prepared at about 5 p.m. Eastern Time at the close of the US trading session. The first pair, as always, is the Euro dollar pair, and today we have a pause in this rally that's threatening to break our little channel, upsloping channel here. So there could be further rally towards this 50% area, but today's action is saying for now it's gonna pause. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we may be developing a double top, or this could be developing a bullish Gartley. Now looking at it closer, just this area. Oh, okay, sorry about that. Little jerky here. But here we have A, B, C, D, the Gartley pattern that I was alluding to before. It's not a classic pattern because on this retracement it probably broke 78.6%. See, it broke it, but no, it didn't close above it, so that's fine. If it comes down to 1.4440 in the Asian session, then we'll see if the market can hold. This is pretty much where the market started the week, so if it could hold the market above that, then it's a higher probability that we'll eventually hit this higher up retracement pattern here at 1.47, maybe a little bit below that, and we are approaching our, in the 4-hour time frame, 200 moving average, so that might be some resistance even before that. But for now we just have to observe price action. At the moment in the 4-hour time frame, it's reversal price action in the short term, so we'll see if this comes down to 1.44, and when it does, look for bottoming action there, and if it is a bottoming action, then there's a very good chance of a bigger rally after that. Okay, so looking at the daily, that means this would project that rally to somewhere here, and from there, if there's topping action, we could project this decline all the way down to 1.36. Okay, and that 1.36 area is your retracement of 61.8, between 61.8 and 78.6%. Okay. The pound dollar pair is still within our anticipated development of a Gartley that might complete at 1.63, which is coincident with a declining trend line and this intermediate moving average. The intermediate moving average, if this holds, it could be an indication of bearish outlook, but only in the short term. As you see, we would pretty much extend this, and that would meet the 1.57 area, which is a heavy support. So we're basically gonna be in a congestion. This is gonna be a triangle until it breaks out. We are just in a ranging mode. If it breaks out, if it breaks under, then we're in a more long-term bearish mode. If it breaks above, then we go from here it's a short-term ranging mode, but if it breaks this, it goes back to intermediate term ranging mode with a target up here at 1.68. Alright, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see the market has stalled since reaching 1.6150, and it's struggling to continue to complete this Gartley. Now this may be a double top if the market breaks below this, and then our Gartley projection will have to be invalidated. If it breaks below this, it may come down. We're pretty much in a sideways range, and again, going back to the daily, in the short term, we're just in a sideways action until we can break one of these two power lines. Then there's something more significant to talk about. the pound yen pair has stalled its rally towards 153, which we anticipated after this after the market supported the pair here, and when it came back down to the apex of the previous little triangle here, it supported. So we anticipated sort of a rally towards 153. The market has shown reluctance to do that and has a reversal signal here. Okay, so but at the moment, the current time, it's testing this support. So there's a lot of information we're going to get in the Asian European session. Looking at the 4-hour, oh, first of all, if this breaks, the market may come back down in this fashion, which is going to create an ABCD retracement pattern. And looking at the 4-hour time frame, let's zoom in a little bit. We see that this would be like that, this kind of manner of decline. Okay, so that would bring us back down to 145.15, which is 127% of this rally, retracement of this rally. So that's an important support, and the market seems to be heading that way if it can break the current support zone here as well as the upsloping support. We are entering oversold in the stochastic, so it's up in the air at the moment. We need some more information in the Asian session to decide if the market reverses. Then we have to look at the market as it approaches 148.50, because this is the short-term power line here. And then if the market breaks that, then we may have further rally. But at the moment, again, we just have to look at price action and mind all these short-term power lines and different resistance and Fibonacci levels, and see what the market is going to tell us in the Asian and European upcoming Asian and European session. Okay, so to summarize, this is the outlook for now for the next couple of sessions if this trend line breaks, but if it doesn't, we may test the 153. That wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more fundamental and technical updates as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex, wishing you good trading.